In today's video, we're going to be solving this Igcse questions. So the question asks us to calculate EF. So we first find EF which is this line, and then it shows us a cuboid ABCDEFGH, and it gives us AE equals 6.4, EH equals 5.1, and then AG equals 13. So we have to find EF. So first we could draw another line over here. So we're going to represent it with dotted lines. So first we're going to calculate this line, E to C. Okay, so how do we calculate E to C? We know AE equals 6.4. We know AG equals 13. So it's like a triangle, and then we have to solve this. So we just use AE to the squared. We use AG to the squared minus AE to the squared, which is equals EG to the squared. And then we can solve EG by this. So we arrange the same, and then we get AG is equals to 13 squared minus AE equals to 6.4 squared, and the bracket. Okay, and then we put it in calculator since this is a calculator question. 13 squared minus 6.4 squared. And this gives us a number, 11.315. So we get this answer, and so we calculated EG. Now we can calculate EF since we know EH is equals to FG. And then we know this line, so we can calculate the bottom, this line, EF. So EF is equals, EF squared is equals to EG squared minus GF squared. So we arrange this thing and we get EF is equals to the square root under of 11.315 to the squared minus GF, which equals 5.1 to the squared, which this gives us square root of 11.315 to the squared minus 5.1 to the squared. This gives us math error, so we have to type it again. 0.315 to the squared minus 5.1 to the squared. This gives us 10.1. So we can write our answer as 10.1 since it gives us rounded to 3 singular figures. Okay, for the next one, calculate the angle between line AG. Line AG is from A to G, and the base EFGH of the cuboid, like the bottom part. So it's asked us to calculate the angle of this one. So this is also pretty easy since we already know the line of EG and we know the line of AG. So we just use a cos rule. So basically cos angle is equals to, so we say like the angle is angle, which is equals to EG divided by AG. So EG divided by AG equals 11.315 divided by AG, which gives us 13. This is equals to 11.315 divided by 13, a number, and then we use the calculator to find the angle of it, which gives us to 29.5 degrees. And so we put 29.5 degrees, and we solve these questions.